Hello viewers, let's use the question that we have on the board to learn how to solve questions on probability. But before then, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not, so that you will get notification when I upload new video. And if you are watching me from Facebook or TikTok, you give my page a follow. Now back to the question. The question says a bag contains 16 red. So the number of red ball is 16, and the number of blue ball we have 20. Okay. Now, the question says, how many white balls must be added to the bag so that the probability of randomly picking a red ball is equal to 2 over what? Over 5. Now, as it stands now, we do not know the total number of balls in the bag, okay? So we can assume it to be any letter of our choice. Number of balls, that is total ball. Let's assume it to be n. So what I will do now is this. When you look at this now, they centered on what the probability of picking what? Red ball. Okay. So what I will do now is this. The number of red ball is what? 16. So I will target 16 over the total number of balls in the bag, which is n, is equal to 2 over what? Over 5. So when I cross multiply, we will have 2 times n. 2n is equal to 16 times 5. It will give us what? 80. So next thing that I will do now is this. I will divide both sides by the coefficient of n, which is 2. So when I divide both sides by 2, we will have the number of balls in the bag as what? 40. Now, for us to obtain the number of what? Of white balls that must be added, what we are going to do now is this. I will subtract the summation of the number of red ball and the what? Blue balls. Okay? Which is 40 minus 36. And the 40 minus 36 will give us what? Will give us 4. So what it means now is that if we add 4 white balls, we will obtain the probability of picking red ball as what? 5 over, as what? 2 over 5. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.